Today, we're sharing a delicious and easy bread recipe that's perfect for a warm, cheesy treat. With ingredients like garlic, cheddar cheese, and sausage, it's ideal for an afternoon tea or guests. Let's dive into the steps. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. 1 kg flour, 3 tablespoons olive oil. 550-gram warm water. You can also use milk if preferred. Unpacket fresh yeast, 1 teaspoon salt. Combine all the ingredients and knead into a soft dough. You can knead the dough by hand or using a machine. Cover the dough with a cloth and let it rise in a warm place for 40 minutes. Divide the risen dough into equal parts and shape them into small balls. You can use a scale to ensure they are the same size if desired. Shape the dough into small balls and place them on a greased tray. Cover with a cloth and let them rest until they double in size. In a bowl, mix olive oil, red pepper flakes, basil or oregano, and salt, then spread the mixture over the bread. Spread the mixture well over the bread, and you can also add garlic if desired. Add grated cheddar cheese and chopped sausage or pepperoni on top. You can also add different ingredients if you prefer. Bake in a preheated oven at 190 degrees C and enjoy. If you've watched this far, don't forget to like our channel and subscribe.